Hello everybody, welcome to NityaCloudtech. In this video, we are going to learn about get metadata activity. Get metadata activity is used to validation purpose. It is also used to basically provide the folder information. So in this video, we will cover how get meta activity provides the folder information. Let's move into Azure Data Factory. Let me create a pipeline. So use case is if you see here under ETL container, there is one input folder. So I want to fetch all these information into the get metadata activities, so that we can use these we can use the output of get metadata activity in the flow. Let me open this get metadata and dataset. Click new dataset. Limited. We can call it get metadata. Story account. So path is ETL and then input, as I may shown you here. Okay. So now this is the main property of get metadata field list. I will click on new. There are multiple property. Child items exist. We will use child items here. Basically, it returns all the child items with all these file names in the get metadata activity. Let me debug this and then I will show you. It will take some time, maybe 1 minute. Let's wait for that. Yeah, it's succeed. So if you see the output of get metadata activity, so see child item. So it is returning all these file names, child items, and it is returning into JSON format. Name, DPT, name and type. These all three files. So if there are more than 3 or 5, 7 files, it returns all the file name here. So this is the result of get metadata. So basically, if you need to use these file names into your flow another, so you can use another activity. Let's say you have to download this file into any output folder, so you can use for each loop and then connect this for each loop, and then you can load all these files into the destination folder using for each loop. Yeah, that's it. Thank you everybody.